uyabonisa umsebenzi wenkosi angithume wona. What I called you to raise sons and disciples. You are busy being famous, neglecting the assignment that I have called you for. And you began to show me a plan in 2 years. While in my mind I knew I'm going to be here for 6 years. You showed me a 2-year plan. What I wanted your attention. This is where I'm going to place you in Cape Town. And you are delaying my plan. And so the Lord began to show me things. And I was amazed. Because iphepha the sentence it is Puma for March 2026. It was in 3 months' time when I was called by the head of prison. He said, "Are you Sibulele Nakupi?" And I said, "Yes." He said, "I don't know what happened. I found this letter signed by the Minister of Justice and Correctional Service saying that you have to be released." When the Lord was done, He released me. And since that day, the Lord has been preventing me from standing in certain podiums, in certain places, because He taught me about the power of an altar. That an altar can claim something from you, and an altar can also deposit something into you. As we have come to celebrate 7 years, kasiyadingana hlangene imibono ngemibono. Apostle Paulos baphuma ngenye imini incwadi yezenzo chapter 16 bazele ngumoya ingcwele iBhayibhile ngendlela ababethandiswe ngayo kwakuxhithwana nangeshefu zabo, abantu befuna ukuphila besiza abantu kwizithunzi zabo. Kodwa ithi iBhayibhile bathe xa behamba babona indawo ekuthiwa yiTroas, full of the Holy Spirit. Kwakuhle emehlweni abo ukuba bangene bayoqhuba umsebenzi. Kodwa for the very first time emveni kokumoya ingcwele ehlile ngemini yePentecost to empower them, ebaxhobisa, ebasebenzisa bekukuhle emehlweni abo ukuba bangene, kodwa emehlweni kaNgcwele zange kube kuhle ukungena. Banqandwa begcotshiwe, banqandeka. Jamlangazelela umoya onje, jamlangazelela umoya onje, ongavakali nje xa esenzisa, ongavakali nje xa ethuma, kodwa umoya ovakalayo naxa eqanda. Wanqanda umoya, banqandeka begcotshiwe, begcwele amandla okwenza imvuselelo, kodwa banqanda umoya, banqandeka. Basuke eTroas babona indawo ekuthiwa yiFrigia. Kwakuhle emehlweni abo, ngoba kunamaxesha bekuhle emehlweni ethu ukuba siwenze umsebenzi wenkosi, kodwa bathi uMoya waqanda wathi singangeni. Ndizama indaba yefishi. Banqandwa kabini, banqandeka kabini. Kanti elixesha uMoya abanqandayo akabahluthi ngqo, akabanqandi ngoba bebamonela, banqanda ngoba kunefishi ezawuvela emveni kokuba bevuma ukunqandwa umoya oyingcwele. After besubmithe kono ababili to Apostle Paulus, then I saw a vision of a man from Macedonia. Think about abafundi iBhayibhile bazawuyazi indlela iMacedonia ebeluncedo ngayo kwiministry kaPaulos, kodwa le Macedonia izelwe emveni koba bebophe yohayi bakaMoya Oyingcwele, ngoba abahayi bakaMoya Oyingcwele bebemsa kweyona vision yaseMacedonia. Uthi uMpostoli Paulus, I saw a vision. I saw a vision. Kodwa umbhali wembali uthi immediately we concluded. Iyafa imibono, ifela I saw. Xa bengaveli we concluded. Benzophela bengumthela, ngoba kuyakhamba ayisimbuye womuntu ozawuthi I saw. Kukhona abango we concluded to support who I saw. Ayisimbuye womuntu ozafika kwi-level yokuthi I saw. Kukho ababizela ukusupporta those who have seen a vision. Thande kakhulu le ndawo ngoba imibono emininzi ifele ku-I saw, yanqatyelwa we concluded. A very quick turnaround conclusion without any meeting in place. He just said, I saw a vision, and immediately those who heard, because it takes those who can hear the voice of the shepherd to immediately hear the voice, other consumed by the voice